Hey guys, welcome to vlog number 8. Sorry about the last couple really short vlogs. We've had some really important family stuff going on that I just don't think is appropriate to put in the vlogs. But I promise these vlogs are going to be longer and way more fun. So let's just get going.
I'm vlogging. Tyler's helping my mom with food. We're here to meet someone that was at my old school in Washington. So it's gonna be fun.
We're at lunch right now still. Pretty soon we're gonna head out and go to the pool and it's gonna be awesome. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here's something interesting that happened towards the end of the day. So I'm just gonna put this in the vlog because I really didn't film much. What the f was that shit? That was a f***ing lizard that just ran across the porch.
Watch your profanity.
Today I was out of the house and was working on family stuff. Tomorrow's vlog will be much better. As a result of this, Karen Matley filmed some stuff on my GoPro, and I will just use that footage to fill the rest of this vlog up. Thank you guys very much for understanding. Please pray for my grandpa as he goes through radiation treatment for cancer. Thanks again for understanding, guys. Alright, 12:57, editing right now. Hopefully tomorrow's vlog will be longer. Don't you love when family stuff gets in the way? Peace out, dudes.